Welcome back to the PM Distilled guide at pmdistilled.com. And today we will discuss about the definition of project. So, so let us click here and it will take us to the lesson. So in project, basically projects are temporary in nature. That means every project has a start date and end date. And at the end of the project, the team gets dispersed. So every project is temporary endeavor or it is temporary in nature and it has definite start and end dates. And projects are performed by people and all projects delivers unique products or services as an output and projects are constrained by limited resources of time, cost, and scope. And projects are managed by project managers. So, an example for a project is now designing a new car is a project, or developing a new website is a project because it satisfies all these conditions: temporary in nature, definite start and end dates, performed by people, delivers unique products or services, and constrained by limited resources of time and cost and scope. You must deliver the scope within time and cost, and it is all managed by project managers. And we say that what is the success criteria of a project? A project is considered as successful if it is completed within the time, met the scope, and within budget, and at the same time, it should satisfy the need or the business case for which it was executed in the first place. For example, a metro rail is a project because establishing or constructing a metro rail is a project because it satisfies all these conditions. So before starting the project, we would have calculated the ratios like what is the total investment required and in how many years time we will be able to uh, get those investment back. We call it as the payback period. And what is the opportunity cost and what is the purpose of it? Why are we building this metro? uh, what is the problem it is trying to solve? So with all these things, we formulate the business case. So projects are successful if it is completed, if they are completed within the agreed upon time, met the scope, within cost, and at the same time, it should satisfy the business need or the business case for which it was started in the first place. And see here, the key is the projects delivers always unique products and services. We said constructing a metro rail is a project, but at the same time, running the metro rail, that becomes an operation because day by day, day after day, we are doing the same things again and again. So we are delivering a standard product or service day in and day out. That becomes an operation. So this is the fundamental difference between projects and operations. Projects have definite start date and end date, whereas operations are continuous in nature. Projects deliver unique products or services, whereas the operation, they keep on uh, generating the same standard output. It can be a standard product or it can be a standard service. Manufacturing a car is an operation, whereas designing a car is a project. So with this, I presume that you have understood the definition of projects, the success criteria of projects, and the difference between projects and operations. Thank you very much.